An excellent, beautiful, good day. My name is David, physical therapist with Restore Perform Physical Therapy. I wanted to welcome you into the website, show that we are different in the sense that we integrate functional medicine. I myself are a certified functional medicine practitioner. I have been doing therapy for 10 years, physical therapy, and through my studies and experience with people, I have definitely come to conclude that leaky gut syndrome, low level inflammation, has a direct connection to osteoarthritis. We have been told that wear and tear in our joints are because of mechanical forces throughout age. But some people present it at 30, 40, and some people never presented. So what's the difference? It is in how we are eating and what is causing the low level inflammation that is wrecking our body. We at Restore Perform, we include coaching, health coaching, which we are certified, functional medicine, and nutrition and biohacking strategies. Things that you were never and will never be told under a normal clinical visit. We're passionate about stepping out and really giving you how much prevention solves over and saves you money over cure and crisis treatment. Allow me to give you a couple of statistics. 30% of people that participate in a maintenance program don't go to the ER. 27% of people end up going to the ER because of this top 4 reasons, which are totally preventable. Number 1, falls. Number 2, dehydration. Number 3, infections. Number 4, medication mismanagement. As we interact with you, we'll educate you and inspire you into seeing that a lot of the preventable crisis care ER visits, you don't have to deal with them, and you or your loved one can feel safe and warm about having a team around you. So we see you day in and day out. We're able to give you urinary analysis so you can see if you're dehydrated, low on electrolytes, low on protein, infection, and getting ready to fight an infection even before symptoms show up. And we're able to take your glycemia and get to see how your sugar is helping you or how it's wrecking you. So we just want to provide an answer to the prevention, because we know that 90% of all of the healthcare spent on chronic disease is preventable. But we have a culture of crisis care, of not solving the root cause. And this is where functional medicine has inspired me. I myself, I didn't make any of these things up. I'm a student of Casey Means. She's a doctor that completed her residency, and she stopped doing her surgeries because she didn't want to do crisis care. She knew that she could go downstream to the root cause and solve it through coaching, biohacking strategies, and also just wholesome, good grandma, wholesome eating. And this is where we get inspired, and we want to be your coach about this. So if you're in the 70th, 80th, 90th decade, please consider us. If this resonates with you, we want to fight so you stay home, keep your independence, and don't lose out on your wonderful golden years. So I just wanted to say hello. Please look around, consider us, and I want to wish you a good day. Take care.